Hi, in this video we're going to see how we can work with Python code by using an IDE such as Visual Studio Code. In this example, if we open Visual Studio Code, we can observe this main window in which we have a place for writing our code. My suggestion is that you can create a folder in which you can place the different files of Python code, for example this folder. And then by using the interface you can open the folder by using the file menu and open folder. So you can choose the folder of working, and this folder is open in this window. Take into account that this part is in which you can write the code, and also in this panel at the bottom of the window you can observe a terminal. If this terminal window is not open, you can go to Terminal option menu and New Terminal. And here the folder that is placed in the terminal is the same that you open here. So the point here is to write Python code in this window and to execute Python code by using the terminal. In this case, after opening the folder, we can create a new file, for example exercise.py. It's important to add the extension and saving this file inside the same folder. So here you can write Python code. For example, we can define a variable x with value 5 and we can print this value with the print instruction. It's important to note that we need to save the file before executing. Here you can observe this mark as a bullet, which defines that this file is not saved. So we can save by Ctrl S or File Save. Okay, and then we can run this code by typing here Python space and the name of the file that we want to execute. In this case, exercise.py. And this is the output that provides this code. Of course, with this interface we can use the rest of the instructions of Python, such as arithmetic operations, for example this, and we can add for example this operation. This is the same as working with Google Colab, but in an interface. The point here, it's also important to take into account that we are using this version of Python that is shown here, and also the main difference between Google Colab and these environments is that here we need to write a file.py that is an independent file that we need to write code. In Google Colab, the code that you execute is in a notebook in the cloud, in the Google Cloud. So the way of writing Python code is similar, but the result, in one case you have a notebook, in this case you have a .py file. Thanks for watching.